how to add music to Instagram post on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see if we can add music to Instagram post on laptop or not. So to find out that, let's get started. First of all, go to instagram.com in your laptop through any browser that you prefer and then log into account. Once you're logged in, you land in your home page. Now let's get to create a post. For that, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and then click on create. Now you have to select photos and videos from your device. So click on select from computer and then you have to choose a picture and then click on open. Now once you have your picture ready to post on your post, click on next. If you like to add filters, you can add filters according to your preferences and click on next. As you can see, there is no any option to add music. Even if you click on advanced settings, you will only have these features, but there is no any option to add music in your Instagram post through laptop, but this feature is available through your mobile device. So you can use your mobile device to create an Instagram post with picture, but unfortunately there is no option in laptop to add music to Instagram post. But you can use CapCut in your laptop to add music to your photo. Once you have added music through CapCut, you can export the photo and then upload it in your Instagram account from laptop. So that's the only way to add music on Instagram post through your laptop, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.